Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max that my brother bought for his next phone. So this is the Pacific blue color. Alright, this is a slimmer box than usual because, as you all probably know by now, they're not including a charging brick. It comes with a USB-C to Lightning cable, but no charging brick. So those of you that have an old Lightning cable, you can use that. But if you want to use the new USB-C cable, you're probably going to have to buy your own charging brick. All right, let's open it up. So the easy Apple unboxing experience here, you just peel it back. There you go. Let's put that to the side. There we go. Beautiful Pacific blue phone. It's a matte finish, so it's not a fingerprint magnet. That's nice. A huge camera bump there, but big cameras there. We're gonna put that to the side. We'll see what else is in there. The SIM card removal tool, the Apple logo, sticker. And then, like I said, the cable is actually USB-C rather than USB-A. So those old adapters will not work with this cable. But everybody has Lightning cables, so you probably don't even need to use it. Okay, let's take the screen protector off. Unlike the Android devices, this needs to be taken off to look at the screen. There we go. Let's turn it on. So the silent button on the side here, volume rocker, nice and clicky buttons. It's the power button, quite a big button, probably smaller in the smaller phones. This is the, I'm not sure what that is. There's a SIM removal tool here. This could be part of the 5G antenna, maybe. Not really sure what that is. Anyways, the phone's on. Swipe up here, press English. Anyways, I'm going to set it up. And I'm sure you've all seen iOS 14 before, so I'm going to show. Here's the bezel. The phone has sharp edges, so you can actually stand the phone on itself, unlike previous phones. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.